The ECOS DM Leave Management Platform makes it easy to manage various types of leaves of absence in one comprehensive case management solution. It effectively balances absence management and disability and is compliant with all federal and state leave laws. The web-based mobile app gives employees and supervisors easy access to relevant claim information and documents and helps them stay connected to the company and initiate claims from anywhere. In the summary section, employees have easy access to their absences and can see absences related to intermittent, continuous and reduced schedule claims, and intermittent occurrences. Tapping Forms and Information gives employees a quick way to view important corporate policy documents and relevant forms like the WH-380. They'll be able to see all available absence time laid out in pie charts, making it easy to understand. Current claims are available with a tap, and the details are color-coded to show approved, denied, and pending claims at a glance. Starting a new claim brings up our reflexive intake form, which bases the overall set of questions asked on specific answers given. The system will automatically run checks against the eligibility rules to advise the employee on whether or not they're eligible for FMLA and state leaves. If an employee wants to update a claim, they can do it right in the portal. Adding time to an existing intermittent claim is as simple as tapping on it, entering the details using the simple drop-downs, and saving the entry. Continuous claims can easily be updated as well. Informing a case manager of a return to work date is as simple as clicking a button and choosing a date. Employees also have the ability to add notes that their case managers can see in real time, and attaching things like medical certifications to their claim is as easy as adding an attachment to an email. On the management side, ECOS DM is highly customizable and can integrate case management for STD, ADA, FMLA, or voluntary products to create the experience you require for your clients or employees. From the dashboard, you can view absence specifications with a click. The system includes all federal and state leaves, listed alphabetically by state. We can also easily incorporate absence specifications for your company-specific leaves. In the Organization section, you can create custom workflows by organization. These can include your business rules, required tasks, letters, emails, text messages, and holiday schedules. Within a workflow, tasks can be set for additional touchpoints to employees, reminders, and any additional notifications you would like to generate. Back on the Organizations page, you can add multiple benefits for different classes under one policy, which allows for uniform and consistent claim management. Classes make it easy to distinguish between groups of employees, like hourly or salaried, or people who are over or under a certain length of service. Opening a claim shows all of its details, including absences. Clicking a leave will show the eligibility rules, result descriptions, and result outcomes based on each rule. Eligibility rules can be customized for all company leaves. Back on the claim page, you'll see open activities and their workflow tasks. These can be systematically or manually generated. Tasks are designed to ensure that claims are managed based on established business practices, and tasks can be customized for any of the leaves you administer. Clicking a specific claim number brings up all of its details and gives you quick access to the case management section. The Case Management Journal is the heartbeat of the claim and is where the case manager can view, add, and edit information that is relevant to a specific claim, all in one place. The Action Plan tab lets you see all open tasks and add notes, attachments, and documents. Clicking the Medical tab displays the diagnosis details, as well as the ECOS DM predictive model. This shows best practice days, worst-case scenarios, and the risk involved. Navigating to the Benefit Claim page and clicking Payment Calculation pre-populates the information and makes calculating a payment a one-click operation. The system details all payments and can consolidate multiple payments into a single check. The Reports tab gives you access to a multitude of possible reports that filter and summarize data in both tabular and chart form. If we track an item in the system, we can report on it. With ECOS DM and our employee portal, you'll have a comprehensive case management solution to manage leaves of all types. Discover your comprehensive single-source absence solution today. For more information, contact your ESIS Business Development Manager or visit esis.com.